Any day you get to make it to Harbor Freight is a good day, but today is especially a good day because we picked up a heat gun and a work light. I wonder what that could be for. And we also got some good old microfiber towels and painter's tape so we can do something with the truck. Now there's one more box. There's one more box I have to show you, and if you haven't guessed already or you didn't read the title of the video, that will let you know what's coming. It's something big, something I've been talking about for a while. It's something I am very excited for. So inside this very box is something that I have been planning for months and months. And if you follow the Covert Garage on Instagram, then you probably would have seen what's about to come. There's some renders on there, that's right, for what is inside this box. So I'm gonna try to take it out. Vinyl wrap. So we have got our 2 rolls of vinyl wrap. So we're gonna attempt to do an abstract camo on the old truck. That is, that's the goal at least. So we've got Nardo gray and then gloss black. I think it's gloss black. I think it's gloss black. It may be different, but Nardo gray and gloss black, and we're gonna do some kind of abstract camo on there. It's gonna make it pop a lot. So by this time tomorrow on the truck, there's gonna be the gray and black and real abstract shapes on there, making it look super minty. So the only thing left to do really is slap it on. And clean the truck, of course. So I got the dish soap out because that's what you wanna do when you're cleaning before wrap. Really, you're supposed to use isopropyl alcohol, which I have none of. So dish soap is gonna do. Now the truck is still pretty clean from the car show last weekend, so really there's not much to do, but we gotta get all the road grime and stuff off. So I'm gonna get to cleaning that because I'm really excited. And yeah, I just noticed that I still have my work hat on, which is, it's disgusting. And I'm sure y'all have noticed that too. So before we start, we're gonna go ahead and change that out. So now that we got that out of the way, the only thing left to do is to wash the truck really quick, then dry it off, and then I guess we're gonna start cutting the vinyl, so tomorrow we can start getting to work. Maybe we'll lay one the night though. I don't know, more to come. So remember when I said that the truck wasn't very dirty? So I was right, but I was also very, very wrong. So on the truck, there was these little black dots. It's like, it's tar basically, I'm pretty sure. I was just stuck. And when I say stuck, I mean stuck. It was on there. So my hands hurt so bad from scrubbing them away with my little scrubber thing. So don't worry, we got it all. The only thing left to do now is the tailgate. She's looking mighty fine right now and clean. I guess I got a dryer. I can't use any wash wax spray because you don't want any wax on the car when you put the vinyl on. But I do have this really cheap, quick detailer. So maybe we can use that to kind of go over everything, and if there's any water spots, get those off. So we're gonna turn the truck around, do the tailgate, make sure everything's dry, and then probably clean up a little on the garage floor so I can work on cutting some shapes maybe. I don't know. We're gonna back the truck in here and then we'll probably start tonight. I think we're gonna start tonight and get at least a little bit done. You gotta have the keys. The keys. So with my little toolbox set up in the back, it is very tight to pull the truck in the garage. But we got it, and we got pristine light on this side, which is the side I was gonna wait on. But we'll still make it work. Maybe we'll see. I don't know if I have an extension cord good enough to move that, but we're gonna give it a shot because I really want to work on this side over here today because I have a better idea of what I want to do. But we're gonna figure it out. All right, so I can kind of see the vision taking place. A little less nerves right now. Really, it's probably not gonna matter much what shape it is, but so here's why I bought the tape, so I can kind of mock it all up. So this is kind of my idea for the first little piece on here. And I'm kind of digging it. I like where it's at. So I think we're gonna go ahead. We're just gonna put this on. Make sure everything's gonna work. We're gonna install that one piece. Yeah, we're gonna install it. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm hoping it goes well. I'm still nervous, but hopefully after we get this one piece installed, it'll be a lot better. Alrighty guys, the first piece is successfully on. I don't see any air bubbles, so yeah, honestly, this is like super satisfying putting this on, but there's a little protective film on it. So we're gonna take it off, make it really, really official. There we go. The first piece of the puzzle. I'll go over it one more time. It's actually looking pretty good though. Alrighty guys, not gonna lie, it's kind of starting to come together. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek. I've got a little more black on there right now. So I've got these two pieces and of course up the front. So hopefully it works. Some of it's harder than I thought, some of it's easier than I thought. So it's really give and take. So it's been an ordeal so far, but this is the first time ever wrapping anything. So I assume it's gonna get easier. I hope it's gonna get easier, but we're gonna see, we'll find out. Alright y'all, well it's almost midnight, so I'm gonna call it for the night. But we did make some good progress today. I'll give y'all a quick little glimpse. Yeah, sorry, I can't show y'all too much. I can't give it away, but we're getting there. This side's almost done. I think I do the other side, then the back, then the hood. But we're getting there. But I will see y'all bright and early in the morning to get after it again. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So it's like 8 o'clock. I've already done a little bit of work. I'm just finishing up the bed on the driver's side. What do you guys think? So I think we need another piece down in there, but I'm gonna call it here for now. This piece I'm probably gonna have to redo. You can see there's some imperfections in there, but other than that, it's not looking too bad. But I think we're gonna hop over and put some pieces on the other side and kind of get going over there. We'll see how the day goes. Hopefully it doesn't take too much longer. We can wrap it up, pull it out, and take a look at it outside in the sunlight. Alright y'all, so we're gonna call it for now. We've got a few more pieces on the back, fill in the middle here and then work our way back, but I have to go get my hair cut. So I'm gonna go do that really quick and not take the truck obviously. Then we'll come back, wrap this up, and maybe we need to get something to clean it. I don't know, we'll see, but I'll catch y'all with the fresh cut. Alright boys and girls, we are back with the haircut, which is a little better. I feel like my head can breathe, but it's time to get this done. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of fill in the middle here. I don't really know what I want to do here yet, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. So fill something in here. I brought the black out too, so we can fill both colors in there, move along the back and get this thing finished. I am very ready to have it done. As much fun as it has been. The other side though is looking pretty dang good. I'll give you a little peek. So there's the other side. So it doesn't look too bad. It really doesn't. Once I can really step back from it, I'll be able to tell, but I think it'll be okay. It'll be all right. Let's go work on that other side though. All right, I'm thinking this one right there maybe. I think that doesn't look too bad. Put that one right there and then we'll figure some other stuff. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put that one there. Sweet. Yeah, I think that's gonna look pretty good. I'm really anxious to see what it's gonna look like all done. I have mixed feelings right now. Not gonna lie, mixed feelings. So I posted a little preview on Instagram, and you know who you are. You sent me a message and said it looked like a cow, which I get. With the gray though, it kind of offsets the cowness just a little bit. So, a cow? Come on. It hurt. So I'm not gonna lie, it's starting to get old. We've got a good amount done. Really, that's probably all that's gonna happen right here. And then we gotta do the front and then the back. So we've got just a few little pieces that I guess can count as the hood, but we've got a lot left to do. I'm really ready for this to be done and over with. It's not as fun as it used to be, but this is the hard stuff because of all the curves and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle that and move on to the bed, and then we'll probably pull it out a little bit and then do the tailgate and hood. Oh, it goes on and on and on. But we're gonna get it. Don't worry, guys, we're gonna get it. And I can say for sure, I will never be a professional rapper. Probably. Well, guys, I'm so close to being done with the truck. I'm just finishing up the bed now, then I gotta move the tailgate. But so, I'm not gonna lie, this has been a struggle. Like, doing this project has been really time consuming, and it's been very stressful. I'm so glad we almost have it done. One of my neighbors' kids just walked by with the biggest smile on his face when he saw the truck. He said, "Nice truck." That's what it's all about. That makes it all worthwhile. You get to kind of, you know, inspire people to get into the car world, because it's the best world to be in. So that kind of makes it all worthwhile. But I'm so close to done. I cannot wait to show y'all. I can't wait to see it out in the sun, because I'm looking at what's done now, and not too bad. Well, guys, the truck is finally done. I think it looks pretty good. I can't wait to see what y'all think. So here it is from the front. I'm not going to show you all the rest of it until I'm going to go somewhere where it's actually cool instead of in front of my house. But so the aftermath of this, so this has been a 10-hour job, just FYI. The garage, I've just got pieces of vinyl stuff laying all over. So if you're wondering how much vinyl I used, probably used about 80 square feet of vinyl on the truck. I'm sorry, I snaked y'all a little bit right there, but I got to. But now we're gonna go, I'm gonna go to the detail garage out in Round Rock, wash it up a little bit because we got all fingerprints off, and then we're gonna go take some pictures, and I'm gonna fully reveal the truck to y'all. I think it looks pretty good. I hope it like withstands the weather and stuff and keeps on there, but we'll keep our fingers crossed, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know what y'all think. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there it is, my freshly wrapped 2011 F-150 Limited. I think it looks pretty cool, personally. Whenever I look, I just can't help but smile, and that's what it's all about. And I've seen a whole bunch of other people on the road smiling when they see it too, so what more could you ask for? Now, don't get me wrong, I know this isn't gonna be everyone's cup of tea, but at least for now, this is what's gonna be on the truck for a little bit. Maybe it'll be like a staple of the channel. I don't know. When the Mustang comes, we still got a ways. We still got a ways. What do you guys think? What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Should this stay on the truck? Should it come off? Is it cool? Is it really not cool? Let me know either way. Just try to be nice about it. And I'm so excited. I have a car show I have to go to tomorrow, which I thought was today. So I'm gonna be able to show off the wrap a little bit, go see some cool supercars and whatever else shows up. I'm so excited. I've seen so many people smiling as they drive down the road when they see this. So many kids that are smiling, pointing the truck out. It's what it's all about. It makes it all worthwhile. But without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. Hey, Christmas is coming up, and I know somebody's gonna like that Covert Garage hat. So make sure you hit the link in the description to go to www.thecovertgarage.com. Pick you up one of these. We also have some new products about to launch, so keep on the lookout for that, because they're gonna be pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate each and every one of you taking some time out of your day to watch me do some things that I probably shouldn't do to the truck. But without further ado, it is time to end on this beautiful sunset that well, it's already happened behind us, and this, I'll let you decide, beautiful or not truck. So let me know in the comments below if you like it or no. But with that bombshell, it is time to end. I will catch y'all in the next video.